In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out the discount price with a calculator. So if you want to calculate how much discount or how much the discount is or how much you have to pay, then this is a video you don't want to miss because right now I'm going to show you an easy way to do this. Okay, now I'm using my phone. I'm using the calculator app on my phone, but you can of course also use a real calculator. Now right now I'm going to show you how you can do this. So let's say you want to buy a shoe which costs $100 and you will get a 20% discount. Then you want to find out how much discount that is, right? Now step number one is to put in the price from your product. So let's say I'm going to buy an iPhone for $500 and I get a 20% discount. I can then put in that 500 and multiply this by 0.2. So that's 20%, right? And then that equals $100. So if I get a 20% discount, that's $100. You can then do 500 minus 100, and you have to pay $400 if you buy anything for $500 with a 20% discount. Now let's say you're buying a phone or whatever for $800 and you're getting a 30% discount. You can then multiply that 800 by 0.3 and that's a $240 discount. You can do 800 minus 240, which means you would have to pay $560. Now that's pretty much how you can calculate or find out the discount on an easy, with an easy method. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.